What's up guys, welcome back. This is the penultimate episode on this here Mini Clubman. Sorry? Final. Penultimate.
This is it?
Yeah, penultimate.
No, final.
Is penultimate not final? Someone pull out Jeeves, because I've got a question.
Last got one, so semi-final.
God damn it, Alfie. God damn it. I didn't even have to ask Jeeves, I was already proved wrong. Yeah, because this is the final episode of the Mini Clubman here. It's about to go on a beautiful Tara Green. We're really in the final stretch. There's a whole lot of sanding, and then we're spraying on some colour and doing the engine bay and inside of the boot. The underside's already done, as you probably saw in the first or second episode. A whole lot of work has gone into this. Met the client, which is always nice to meet a client. It gives you a bit more purpose when doing the car, you know, it puts a face to it all. So we really are on the final stretch. We've got a few hard hours ahead of us, but apart from that, there'll be some painting and some polishing. And then it's off to Chris at Crafted Classics to put it all back together. And that's about it. Let's get cracking. So that's the sanding done. It's just masking up now. Gonna get some paint on her this week. We're doing interior first, then swapping around to the exterior. And that's about it for this week. I mean, maybe if we have some time on Friday, we'll take this off of the jig and put it onto a table so that we can start doing the boot and the engine bay. But apart from that, we're in the final stretch. And yeah, it's good to see it getting done. Shout out to CG Sprays on TikTok, guys, if you want to see some of the painting in action. That's the Mini painted, guys. Very excited to finally get this part of it done. Obviously, still got the engine and the boot to go, but that's the next step. We got the subframes powder coated, so that's going to go in Tara Green next as well. It's all coming together, hoping to get this wrapped up within the next 2 weeks now. I'm basically going to focus everything on just getting this all sorted now. Turned out lovely, nice gloss on it. Gonna flat back a few of the panels and get some of the orange peel out, but apart from that, she's finished really. This is the Tara Green in person. Nice green apple car. All right, so the Mini is keeping on. In the process of getting the engine bay ready. It's in the final primer, that's being sanded down right now. Gonna get that masked up and paint that tomorrow. I'm just doing the underside of these final panels right now. And then probably, it's Thursday today, so on Monday, I'll probably do the other side of them. Then they'll be done. Basically at the final stretch, it's literally just this and there's a few like small bits to do, like the piece that holds up the bonnet, like latches, door hinges, those sorts of things, but they're all in primer, so they just need sanding down and painting. So really we're there. I know, all very exciting, isn't it? You'll probably see it all nice and shiny next, I'm sure, or at least turning shiny.
All right, so we're out in the sun with the lime green Tara Green machine. A lot of green. Yeah, it's all done. Feast your eyes, it looks fantastic. Tom's actually just gone on holiday today, but he's wrapped this all up yesterday for us, and yeah, just ceramic coated it this morning. So it's all sealed and protected and shining. It's all ready to go back to Chris's Crafted Classics and Tuning on Monday, Friday now, so yeah. And then he can start putting it back together, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be up at the NEC with this beauty, and you'll see us all there. So come and check us out, come and check the Mini out, and see the Chevy as well, of course. This thing looks absolutely fantastic. It's all of the green everywhere, even the subframes are green. I think the interior is going black, so it'll be a nice contrast. But we've got the GKNs and the RG alloys going on this as well. So the GKNs are in Silverstone sort of spec, as it were, and we've got them in Porsche Brilliant Silver. And then the GKNs, the RGs, always get confused, are in Porsche Platinum Grey. Someone will probably correct me and say, well, actually the proper colour name is this, but all right. And they're going to look absolutely fantastic against this green. So yeah, we're really chuffed to have been responsible for this beauty, and yeah, ultimately looking forward to doing another Mini. We love them. It's nice to see one get such a thorough restoration. It makes a really beautiful car. So we're trying to shelter you guys a little bit from the wind. It's pretty terrifying out here, to be honest. But yeah, so we just dropped the Clubman off. We're here at Crafted Classics and Tuning to see Chris and get a shell dropped off. So yeah, he's really happy to see it again. Loves what we've done. So that's really positive. Yeah, got to run over some more bits tomorrow, subframes and a couple of other panels and things like that. Couldn't fit it all in the car, so yeah, get that sorted and then let him crack on. Fingers crossed, we'll all be set and ready for the NEC, and yeah, have this and have the Mini and the Chevy next to each other, and yeah, really take the show. So fingers crossed, and I'm going to go and have a warm cup of tea and out of the wind.